Looking at Amazon this week, we can see that price has done some interesting things here, and we are pushing to the downside. Now, in perspective, and this is just taking the technicals, just looking at the bars and price action. In my mind, this is a healthy retracement back here to this blue zone, okay? I really like where this blue zone was put into place, and I'm really interested in price once it retraces back to this point. So this whole big push down, in my mind, is simply a retracement, okay, back into the 729 to 682 level, okay? Now, because this is just a healthy retracement, don't forget that we are, still in an uptrend here. So this does not violate the fact that we're in an uptrend. And yes, this is a weekly time frame, and we see price coming down here really hard, but we do have Thanksgiving time and Christmas and all the holiday seasons coming into play. So I love to see a good buy opportunity come into place before all the seasons and all those earning reports come out here later on in the year. So I really feel like this is a good buy opportunity. Just be waiting for that level as price comes down here. This week, I would say that we're down. Okay, so let's not jump in front of the zones too much here. It just blasted through a couple of zones that were retested, looking at the 707 to 682 level before really wanting to get long on this market at all. Until then, just ride it to the downside and don't stand in front of the bus. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame here, we can see prices moving down and down and down. We can really see why the low is where the low is at the 719 down to the 712 level. And again, we don't want to stand in front of the bus, but we know why the support and resistance, in this case the support level is where it is and the day's low is where it is because it's reacting to that fresh new support level. Okay, so we're probably going to be coming back up here a little bit, and then I'd be looking for the weekly and the daily and the 4-hour time frames all to be in confluence down here at the bottom, right around the 698 level down to 682. Looking over here at Chase Morgan or JPM, you can see that we've had a breakout to the upside here on the weekly. Our trend is up, and it looks like we're just breaking into new highs here. So as we are doing so, I would really look for the pullback to this weekly zone here, as lately we've gotten a $6 move with the elections and everything else coming out. So just wait for a price to retest before trying to get back into the long position and into the trend. Looking over here at the daily time frame, you can see that we had a nice little money bounce onto this level, and again, we're just pushing to the upside. Again, I would be waiting until the 70 level to see a possible retrace into that area, and then we push even higher. As we look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see the 4-hour zone that was created here at the 70.55 down to the 69.92 level. That is the level that I would be watching for a potential retracement back into before trying to run with the trend to the long side.